Welcome to 1608 Champaign Avenue in Gulf Breeze, Florida. We are located in the community of Quayside Village. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home at almost 2,100 square feet. There is a cul-de-sac just at the end of the street, so no through traffic here. We are located less than 10 miles to beautiful Navarre Beach and just a 30-minute drive to Hurlburt Field. This home is all brick exterior. We do have a 2-car garage as well. A new roof was just added here, so that's all ready to go. Everything's been done here. There is a fully fenced backyard as well with blinds throughout the home. So coming in to the living room, nice spacious living room here with high ceilings. We do have sliders that lead right to the back, or right into the backyard. Lots of natural light coming in. Carpet in the main living area here. And just off the main living area, there is a formal dining space. You could easily get a table that sits six people in this space. Wood burning fireplace with built-in cabinetry as well for some additional storage space in the main living room. So into the kitchen, we have a nice flow here, nice open floor plan. Very spacious breakfast nook with some bay windows, again allowing lots of natural light. And we do have an additional door leading to the back into the backyard here onto the covered patio. I'll take you back there in just one second. So in the kitchen we have solid wood cabinetry. We do have a built-in desk area with granite countertops. Lots of storage space in here. Electric cooktop with a built-in microwave and a refrigerator with an ice and water dispenser as well. New sink and updated hardware. So we have a split floor plan here. The master is located on the left-hand side of the house, which gives for a little bit of privacy from the other 2 bedrooms. So coming into the master bedroom, we do have a tray ceiling with recessed lighting. This is a very spacious master. You could easily get a king-size bed in here, as well as a seating area or maybe a Peloton here right in the bay windows. And this is one of my favorite features when you have the additional doorway that leads to the covered patio here. So just a really nice feature, and I'll take you back out here in just one second. Into the master bathroom. Very spacious master bathroom we have. We have a really nice sized walk-in shower here with a bench. Lots of room in here. Do have 2 shower heads up here. Jetted tub right in front of this window, allowing lots of natural light to come in. We have dual vanities and 2 walk-in closets. So everybody has their own space in here. Good sized walk-in closets. And the other just across the way here. This one is a little bit larger than the other one. This would be probably her closet. And we do also have a water closet allowing for some privacy. So again, very spacious master bedroom and bathroom here. All right, and across the way, on the other side of the house, we have 2 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom. Here's the laundry with some additional storage and the garage entry. The garage also does have a utility sink. Into our second bedroom. Pretty good sized rooms here. Updated fans in the bedrooms. And into the second bathroom. Really a nice size here, and we do have a shower tub combo. There's a shower curtain, one of the rounded shower curtain rings here that's been installed. So again, pretty nice sized bathroom here. And into our 3rd bedroom on the back side of the house. All right, now I'll take you back in the backyard, give you a little peek at that. And then, since we haven't been this way, I'll take you through the kitchen this way. So we have 3 entryways to the backyard. We have one coming off the master suite, one from the breakfast nook, and then the sliders from the main living area. So it'd be really nice to open up all these doors when the weather's nice like it is now. Let all that air in, great for entertaining. Just a really nice flow to it. So we do have a fully fenced backyard here with a privacy fence. Pretty nice sized backyard. Plenty of room for a pool if you wanted to add a pool addition. All right, I'll take you back inside, give you another look at the main living area, as well as the kitchen. It's coming back in from the slider off the back side of the house here. So again, this is 1608 Champaign Avenue in Gulf Breeze, Florida, located in Santa Rosa County School Districts.